Just an hour south of Munich lies a hidden gem in the Bavarian Alps, Schliersee. Hove on the RE55 from Munich Hauptbahnhof, in just over an hour, you will arrive at Schliersee station. Ready to explore? You can stroll along the serene shores of Schliersee, where the lake mirrors the sky and the mountains stand tall. Next, you can catch the hourly bus 362 to Neuhaus-Aurachstraße. From here, it's a 15-minute walk through lush forest and meadows. Forests open up to reveal the Josefsthaler waterfall. Water crashes over rocks, creating frothy veil that whisper away your daily worries. Continue the journey along mountain path, past rolling hills and grazing car. After about 2 hours, you'll reach Spitzingsee. At over 1,000 meters, this tranquil lake is impressed by towering peaks, a perfect spot to have a break. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, this journey through Schliersee, the Josefsthaler waterfall, and the Spitzingsee offer a perfect escape into nature.